Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Alex. As you guys can see by today's title, I did so much Christmas shopping already and it is only the beginning of November, but I feel like this year I just really want to find a lot of new Christmas decor. Michael's was having 40% off and then I picked some stuff up from Crate & Barrel, which I will also show you, but prior to that I just want to give a quick shout out to Luisa for sponsoring today's video. If you guys have not heard of Luisa, I actually partnered with them last month. They gifted me 3 beautiful gold pieces of jewelry and I was able to pick out 3 new ones. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you guys this one, and I'm super excited because they actually have 20% off their entire website from now until November 17th. So if you see anything you like in this video, I'll also have a couple other things linked down that I absolutely love. Things from my last haul that I got, they will be linked in the description if you guys want to shop, because 20% off is amazing and I absolutely love their jewelry. It's so pretty. So this is what it looks like. It just says, "Thank you, Ana Luisa, made from 100% recycled paper. Please continue the cycle." I absolutely love how they do sustainable packaging. They come in 3 really cute pouches, which I love these for storing and traveling. I will be bringing these along with me. I saw this and I fell in love with it. It's still in the packaging, it has plastic, but do you see the pendant? This is the Hannah engraved. It's 14 karat gold on brass and the mother of pearl. This is a close-up of it. It does have a rose in the middle. I hope it's picking up on camera. This is what it looks like on. It's originally $70, but with the 20% off you do get it for $60. Next up, I picked up some earrings. These are the Suzanne little huggies. I bought them actually to wear as my second piercing. I do want huggies that just kind of sit super close and hug the second piercing, so that is why I picked this one up. And then I also picked up these ones, which these ones are the Toda earrings. They're like a double hoop kind of style. One of them has cute little cubic zirconia crystals while the other one is the gold on it. So it just gives an illusion of a double piercing. So I did also get this one. I'm going to quickly put these on so I can show you what they look like. Also just want to show you the closures of the earrings. So this one you just snap close kind of like that. And this is the closure for the second one. This is how the earrings look. So as you can see, I actually love stacking it like this. So this is that one, and this one just fits perfectly and hugs my earring. Neither of them are uncomfortable or too heavy. This one retails for $75 and this one is $59, but you get 20% off of both of them. Those are the 3 items that I picked out this time. Absolutely love them. You guys should definitely check them out. They are affordable but such good quality. I know you guys are gonna love Ana Luisa. I absolutely love them. And again, they are running 20% off their entire website until November 17th. Moving on to Christmas stuff. I'm out of breath because I just took a thumbnail and I had to hold everything up. It's heavy, but I think I'm going to start off with Crate & Barrel first. We got this ginormous bag. First item in the bag is this Christmas advent calendar, which I didn't get from Crate & Barrel. I actually got it from the superstore. My boyfriend bought it for me and I was like, no, don't buy it. It's not December yet. Like, I don't want to hold it until December. And then we agreed that this could be my November countdown until December. I saw this wrapping paper and I just absolutely had to get it. I could not figure out what I wanted my theme this year to be for wrapping. I think last year it was red, so I got red and white, and then I got this really cute neutral one. It has like trees and snow and it's just, I absolutely love it. So I got these 2, which they were a little bit pricey, not gonna lie. Each roll was like $15, so yes, I paid $30. And then I picked up plain boxes. Honestly, I haven't really started my Christmas shopping, but I remember last year I could not find plain boxes for the life of me, so I just picked up a couple. This is a pack of 5 with the box and the lids, and it was like $10. So I just picked this up in case I needed boxes. That way I wouldn't be scrambling last minute. And then this is actually from Amazon, not Crate & Barrel, but I had it in that bag because I bought it specifically to go with the wrapping paper. I just love the way white big bows look on presents. This mixed together, I think they're gonna look really cute, so that's why I bought that. And I had it in that bag, but I did the most shopping at Michael's, because Michael's was having 40% off all of their Christmas things, which I don't know if these were like last season things that they're trying to get rid of, which is why it's 40% off before bringing in the new Christmas things, or I don't know. Does Michael's always have sales like this? I don't know. I'm kind of like new at Michael's. I think my favorite thing that I got was Santa. I got this freaking cute Santa. Look how big he is, first of all. So this is what Santa looks like. We have him holding a teddy bear here. He has a present, little Christmas tree. There's a snowman. This is just like his sack of toys that Santa is known for. And then he has a cute little hat, which you can bend different ways depending how you want it. And then he's got his little belt, his hands, his little pants and shoes. And I just love his outfit, how it's like red, white, and green. I really like this outfit. I didn't want him to be in an all red outfit. I think this is going to match the house really well. He was originally $89, but I got him for 40% off, and he is 24 inches, which is 60.9 centimeters. So that's his tag in case you guys want to go buy it. Next up, I did buy more ribbon, and this one is because I saw this reel where somebody decorated their front house to kind of look like a wrapped present, and she had used red bow, but her door was black. I have a white door, so I figured red and white is gonna look really pretty too. Basically, you just like tie it this way and then you tie it that way, and you make like a giant bow to make it kind of look like a present. I thought that was really cute, so I do want to try to recreate it. Next up, I picked up 2 of these comfy blankets. Oh my gosh, I love blankets like this. My boyfriend gave me one last year, and I really wanted a white one to just have downstairs to put on the sofa, just to make it a little more cozy and everything for the holidays. I picked this up for $60. It's 50 inches by 60 inches, so it's pretty big, and then it's just white, fluffy, very soft, good quality. Oh, it's just so soft. I'm obsessed with it. Hopefully it doesn't get dirty that quickly, because it's like a cream off-white kind of color. And then I also picked up a gray one, which this was for my grandma. It's almost her birthday, and I know she's gonna love this blanket. It's just like super cozy and comfy, so I did get her a gray one, and then it flips to white. If she wants white or gray, it's gonna be so cute. It's also very lightweight but very soft and cozy, so it's perfect. Again, it was $59.99. It's 50 inches by 60 inches. And it seems to be good quality, so 10 out of 10. Next up, snow. I needed to get snow. Oh my gosh, this is so cold actually. I had this bag in my car and this is like freezing, but I got fake snow. Every year we do get a real Christmas tree in my house, and I love putting fake snow on it. I don't get fake Christmas trees in my house. My mom just doesn't like them. She likes to get real Christmas trees, so I have never had a fake Christmas tree, and because I don't have fake Christmas trees, I can't put them up super early, or else trust me, I would already be working on having the Christmas tree put up. But because I got a real one, we wait till like the first week of December to put it up, so I have to wait a little bit, but I can decorate the rest of the house. Couple more things. A tree skirt. So this is a massive tree skirt, which is exactly what I wanted. It's white and has really cute snowflake designs stitched into it, if you guys can see. And then it's fluffy over here. This is so cute. It has little pom-poms. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. And it's huge, which is exactly what I wanted. And then I got 2 more things, which I got this massive sign that just says believe, because I think it's so cute. And then the bee has little Santa hat on it. How cute is this? I just thought this was the cutest thing ever, just to have it like the beginning of the hallway when you walk into the house. Or like, honestly, I could even just put it here in the background for my Vlogmas videos. I don't know, but I saw this, had to have it. It wasn't expensive either. It was $24.99, 40% off. Last thing I have here, which I actually bought some stuff for my boyfriend's mom. She likes to do the individual like napkin ring holder things. You guys know what I'm talking about? They're just like, basically they go around individual napkins and you put them on the people's place where they're gonna sit. I don't know, I'm kind of bad at explaining that, but she uses those, and they had these really cute ones at Michael's for Christmas, so I did pick her up 5 or 6 of them, I believe, and I already gave it to her because I saw her yesterday when I went to Michael's and came back to the house with everything. So I did do a little haul for her, and I showed her, and I just gave her little gifts that I bought her. So I got those 2, and then last thing that I bought myself was just this. Like, I think this is so cute to even like hang on the door. Like, imagine doing the bow like this little bow and then having this in the like centerpiece after it's wrapped, or we do have one of those circular wreath things that we do for Christmas that also lights up, so I could put that on top of the bow too on the door. But I think this is just so cute. I love it. A little close-up of it. Again, also super inexpensive, $16.99 and 40% off, so couldn't go wrong. And the little pine cones have like glitter on them that also mixes as snow. Alright you guys, so that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this pretty big Christmas haul plus everything I got at Ana Luisa. Don't forget to check them out. Highly recommend you do. Again, I will have them linked in the description. But that is everything that I bought from Michael's, the Superstore, and Crate & Barrel. At Michael's alone, I spent $264.92. That was after discount, so I saved $132.40. I spent so much money, and it's only the beginning of November, but I just love Christmas and I love shopping. So if you also love Christmas and love shopping, I also do other hauls as well, so definitely go check those out. Hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!